Assalamu alaikum, my sweet friends. Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going to be sharing some davat, high tea time snack, goodie ideas with all of you guys. I had an unexpected davat that I just quickly planned with a few of my family members and friends. And I thought, hey, while I have the time, let me just put my phone down, record any snippets, anything that I can to share with all of you guys. Maybe this could benefit some of you guys. And I shared davat videos before, and oh my god, the response has been amazing. So I thought, you guys hopefully will enjoy this one too. So as you guys can see, I started off with a menu. So I found out early in the morning, and then I was like, let me see what I have in my refrigerator. Let me see what I don't have that I can order off Instacart or Walmart delivery. And let me just most of the times I like to work with whatever I may have in the home. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so like I said, I just took out a place card, menu, something, got my son's marker. I was in such of a hurry and just started writing down what I think I want to have. So I thought I want to make a homemade pizza. I want to have some burgers or either wraps, pinwheels, something like that. I'll have a nice salad, either chutney or dips, a fruit board, and I'll write down to remember to take out all my cutlery, all the, serving utensils, all the drinks, and all that. So the first thing that I started off with is my KitchenAid mixer. If you have one of these, it's a lifesaver. I wanted to start off with the mixture of the samosas, samosa dough, and what I did was add a few potatoes to a saucepan and let that boil. And I'm making my dough here. I've shared this many times with you guys, and I'll link those videos, but all I did was add some butter, some flour, some salt, cumin seeds or ajwain seeds, and we have a beautiful dough that was made in minutes, and my potatoes were done as well. So I thought I would make some samosas. Now, my friends, I actually did not have time to make the samosas. I just still wanted to share this with you guys. Secondly, left everything like that, and I moved on to the pizza dough. I've shared this recipe many times, and it's the most easiest, yummiest recipe you guys can ever make. Homemade pizza dough, everything from scratch, dough, yeast, salt, oil, and just mix everything up together. I'll link that video for you guys as well, step-by-step video, and our dough is made. So I got the samosa dough, I got the pizza dough, and the aloo and all that to the side, and you could just cover it, let it rise, and then move on to the next step. So I wanted to get this stuff out of the way and then move on. Now, like I said, to be honest, I didn't have time for the samosas. I mean, we're only human, but I still wanted to share with you guys how to do it in case you guys want to. So for the mixture, I added some onion, a little bit of oil, some tomatoes, some peas, masalas, and then what I did was I poured it all onto my potatoes, mixed everything up really nice, and then that's it. That's how you make the samosas. After that, started taking out everything that I knew that I can, like in a real hurry. Some cutlery and stuff like that. Just started setting up the table. Then after that, I moved on to a fruit board. A fruit board or a charcuterie board is a great option for like a high tea, a tea time get together, or some davat menu. So what I did was I had some strawberries, orange laying in the refrigerator, and let's see, what else did I have? Pomegranate, because fruits in season, right? So pomegranate, some crackers, cheese, all of that, and I quickly assembled a yummy board. And that was done. You can cover with saran wrap and just put in the refrigerator or put on your table since it's winter and the fruit will not get, warm. You can just let it lay on your refrigerator or set up the table already. So I just placed some crackers on the side, and then I had some cheese. So I quickly went ahead and just diced that up and put the cheese on the side. So this is something that your guest and your family and your friends could kind of like, nibble on or have like as an appetizer when they come, and they could enjoy this while you're setting everything else up for them. So this was all done and ready to go to the table. Now moving on, I used basmati rice and I wanted to make a little bit of biryani. It was a little bit, and it was basmati rice, which cooks in minutes. So I went ahead and boiled that, put that to the side. If you follow me in my blogs and my videos, you guys know I do a lot of like prep, where I prep my chicken, cut, washed, cubed, everything. So that stuff is ready and always perfect for days like this. So I sliced my chicken, I added some masalas, I added some oil, masalas, a little bit of buttermilk, or you guys can add yogurt. And I cooked this, and this is the chicken that I'm going to use to make some burgers. This is the biryani mixture. Fried some onions, added some cubed boneless breast, some potatoes, frozen tomatoes, frozen green chili peppers. Now this is why these things are a lifesaver. Like I've shared in my blogs with you guys before, is for days like this. It'll still give you the same taste, and it will help you so much in a hurry. So just cook the chicken for the burgers on one side, or that's what I'm doing, and the biryani mixture on the other side. So these are cooking up. I lowered the flames to both of them. Now what I'm doing is that I'm assembling a salad. I got just a few ingredients that I needed via Instacart, and I got this packaged salad. I usually don't do a lot of packaged salad because, to me personally, sometimes I think it won't be as fresh, or it'll have like a kind of a packaging bag kind of a smell. But I thought today I have to, because everything's in such a hurry. So I had a cucumber. I went ahead and diced that on top of the salad, and then some baby tomatoes, some carrots, some croutons, and of course my favorite feta cheese. So I went ahead and quickly prepared the salad. I had some of these organic carrots that I thought I would use instead of the baby ones that I also had. This gives it a nice flavor. And then, like I said, the tomatoes and all that good stuff. So a yummy salad is always really eye-catching, pleasing, and we love having it. So just add all your favorites and put it in something that's beautiful like this, and it's all done. So salad and the fruit boards and all that's to the side. The chicken here is cooking really nicely for the burgers, as you guys can see, on low flame with simple ingredients. And now what I'm doing is I'm cutting some iceberg lettuce, because I want this to go inside of the burgers that I'm making. So that was the chicken that I'm going to be using for the burgers. I have my buns. I'm going to make a sauce, and this is the salad that I'm dicing to go inside the burgers. And remember, our biryani mixture is cooking on the side as well. I'm keeping an eye on all that stuff as well. So as you guys can see here, the rice was all done. Like I said, I used basmati, and then the mixture was very simple. I just added some yogurt, some spices, and then the water, let it, all cook through. And then I went ahead and quickly assembled the rice. So our biryani is just being assembled, and then I'm going to put it on dum or steam to steam it through. The stuff for the burgers are done, the fruit board's done, the salad's done. Now moving on to a Russian salad. This is one of our family favorites, especially in the winter. You guys can use fruit cocktail or any kind of fruit you might have in your refrigerator, or seasonal fruit. You could use bananas, you can use grapes. I'm using some fruit cocktail, like a tin, some pineapples, some apples. I didn't even have time to take the skin off the apples, which I usually do, but it was still so good, guys. I've shared this on my channel with you guys before as well. So this is one of our very favorite recipes. And then all you do is use some type of cream. You could use whipping cream, you can use sour cream, anything that you have on hand. And then all you do is add a pinch of salt, and then you add the sugar. And then you can also leave additional juice from the can and add that in, and then just mix everything up together. Now I'm in such of a hurry here doing this that usually I would mix it in another bowl and then put it in the serving dish, but right now I'm just using the same exact serving dish that I'm going to serve it in, and it's like goes into a beautiful gold stand that my sister got me. And now, my friends, as you guys can see, I quickly chopped up the ingredients for the pizza. Olives, green bell peppers, onions, And as you guys can see here on the side, I have my coasters ready for the food once it's hot. On the table, I took out some plates that I'm going to use. These are one of my very, very favorites. And then I thought I'd use the pink theme. It was kind of really in a hurry. It's not like how I would have wanted it to be, but it worked. And alhamdulillah, it was nice. So take out everything you need to use, put it on the table from before, some cookies. And then my sister also brought some donuts over. So put everything on the table, and now as you guys can see, I've made the sauce, and this is a yummy like hamburger sauce. I've added my french fries to my air fryer, which is a lifesaver. I recently got the Ninja dual air fryer, and it's amazing, guys. If you guys are thinking or considering one, I would highly definitely recommend it. Now I have my burger buns. I added the sauce, and the sauce consists of mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, some chili sauce, a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice, and it's really, really good. Then you just add like the chicken tikka or chicken tandoori pieces to your burger buns here on a clean service or wherever you'd like to make them. Then I'm going to go ahead and top with cheese, the lettuce, and our burgers are done in no time. In the meantime, once I assembled these, I quickly went ahead and made the pizza, preheated the oven before I started making it, and then the pizza was the last thing that I took out when my guests arrived because I wanted it to be really nice and warm. You guys can also add pickles to the burgers, and you guys can use like toothpicks or something to hold them in place as well. Now, as you guys can see, friends, the pizza is all done. Now, I do want to let you guys know the keema that I used was some keema that I had laying in my refrigerator. Like I showed you guys before in the vlog, it's a keema that I cook and use as a base throughout the week. So I just went ahead and added more spices to it, and I used that. And then for the sauce, I used a shop-bought ready-made sauce today. Usually I like to have it from scratch, but you know, at times like this, you have to use what helps you. And then that's it. Topped it with cheese, all the yummy toppings, and it was done in no time. As you guys can see, our rice is done. The french fries are done. The sides of the french fries are done. The burgers are assembled, quickly set up on the table. Like I said, not exactly how I would have loved it to be, but alhamdulillah, it went wonderful. The guests, our family, friends, everybody enjoyed. And always remember, my sweet friends, it's not exactly what you have at the time of serving, it's how you expect your guest and the love and, you know, the respect and everything you show them. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this. Off the menu, we weren't able to do the samosas like I said, but we went ahead and did the biryani, which was like a main, and then a pizza, and then as an appetizer we had the burgers, we had the french fries, the board, anything else like, you know, store-bought. You guys could have bought pastries, you guys can buy like anything, set up a nice table. But like I said, I mostly worked with everything I had in the home. At the end, we like to have chai with donuts, cookies, anything like that. So that's exactly what we had. Had our drinks, and everybody enjoyed, alhamdulillah. So mashallah, everything went very good. I really hope and pray you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please, friends, share with a friend or your family. Let me know what you guys think down below. And until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.